Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 9 against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So we have the Snapdragon 855 going up against the Kirin 980, 6GB of RAM on both. They both have a heavily skinned version of Android. They are both on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. Now which one of these phones will come out on top? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Xiaomi Mi 9. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the new Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Then we have the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Kirin 980 CPU and the Mali G76 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before running the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Mate 20 Pro wins by 1 point. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the scores are tied at 8 points each. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Mate 20 Pro won by 1 point. In round 2, the scores were tied at 8 points each. As for the price difference, the Mi 9 costs nearly half the price of the Mate 20 Pro. However, the Mate 20 Pro does have a bigger battery, a Quad HD AMOLED display, reverse wireless charging. Now having said that, the Mi 9 is no slouch. It's got the latest Snapdragon 855 CPU and the phone is definitely fast. So it just really comes down to if you want the bigger battery and the better screen. So what were your thoughts about the speed test comparison? Will you be buying the Xiaomi Mi 9? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you happen to be new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. I will be getting the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, so there will be speed tests, benchmark and camera comparisons. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.